Welcome to our tutorial on installing dual boot on the Pixel Slate. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to install both RisiOS and ChromeOS on your Pixel Slate i5. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Let's dive in. Step 1. Start with a fresh install of ChromeOS. Using a recovery from Chromium open Chromium website and search for Nocturne. Click on the download button to download the Nocturne recovery image. Once the download is finished, use the Chromebook recovery utility to create a bootable USB drive from the Nocturne. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a recovery drive. Insert the USB flash drive into your Pixel Slate. Click Get Started. Use local image and select the downloaded file. Select the flash drive. Once the recovery drive is created, enter recovery mode by shutting down your Pixel Slate and then pressing and holding the volume up, volume down, and power buttons for at least 10 seconds. Once the installation is finished, you will have a fresh install of ChromeOS. Step 2. Turn on developer mode. Press and hold the volume down, volume up, and power buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds until the screen turns off. Release the buttons when the screen is off, and wait for the screen to come back on. If it doesn't, press the power button to restart ChromeOS and try again. You'll be greeted with a screen that says please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. Press the volume down or volume up key to get to the next menu. You'll see a screen that says show debug info, cancel, power off, and language. Press the volume down and volume up buttons at the same time. This will open a new version of the same screen, but the top option will say confirm disabling OS verification rather than show debug info. Make sure that's the option that's highlighted, and then press the power button to confirm. After selecting confirm disabling OS verification, the screen will go blank for a second. Wait for ChromeOS to boot. Go into the Developer Options menu. Choose Boot from internal disk. Step 3. To successfully set up dual booting, it is necessary to resize the ChromeOS partitions. Open ChromeOS Resize website. Click on the Download button to download the cross-resize script. Next, get to the shell by pressing Ctrl+Alt+T, then typing shell at the prompt. Once in the shell, execute the following commands. Press Enter to proceed. Enter G. You can decide how much space to allocate for ChromeOS. I recommend a currency partition of at least 512 MB. For the boot partition, in my case I use 600 MB to be safe. Double check and confirm. After your partitions have been resized, reboot and let ChromeOS repair itself. Press Ctrl+D to enter ChromeOS. Step 4. Enable RW_legacy boot. Open more chromebox.tech website. Copy the command and paste it in terminal shell. Type 1 and hit enter. That's all we need to do, no other modifications. Step 5. Create a RisiOS bootable USB. Download RisiOS. Modify the file type from ISO to bin. Use the Chromebook recovery utility to flash the image to a USB drive. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Step 6. Install RisiOS. Now, reboot and plug in the RisiOS USB. Press Ctrl+L at boot to go to CBIOS. You will need to quickly press Escape to select options to boot from, and choose your USB drive to boot the OS installer. Press 1 to select a flash drive. After selecting language and keyboard layout, the installer will ask about the partitions. Before partitioning, there is a full disk summary and bootloader option in the bottom left. Select that. Then select the internal eMMC drive. Click on Do Not Install Bootloader. We will install Grub after, but not yet. Choose the Advanced Custom Blivet Repartitioning tool. Then Done. Select partition 6 currency and format as X4. MOUNT point is per boot. Select partition 7 root C and format as X4, mount point as per. Click Done. Click Begin Installation. After installation, quit the installer, but don't reboot. Now we'll install the bootloader. Make sure you are connected to the internet. Open terminal and enter the following commands. Now you can reboot and select Ctrl+L to boot into RisiOS, or Ctrl+D to boot into ChromeOS. I hope this video helps you install RisiOS alongside with ChromeOS in Pixel Slate as dual boot. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.